Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the best AutoCAD speed settings to make your laptop run AutoCAD fast and smooth. If your AutoCAD is running slow on your low-end laptop or in your old laptop, you have to do some settings which I am going to share with you. If you follow these settings, your AutoCAD will be run faster on your older laptop. First one, we will turn off the hardware acceleration. For that, we have to type a command here, graphics configure, type here, then enter. After that, this graphic performance box will be open here. Here we have to make it off. When we will make it off, on big laptop, hardware acceleration, slow AutoCAD. So turning it off improve the stability of the AutoCAD. Then click OK. This is the first one. The second one, if you have a very big AutoCAD file, so we have to purge first. You have to type here purge, enter, and you have to tick all here, and then click on purge all, check the item, and close. So this will reduce the size of the file. Next one is overkill, enter, and here you have to type all, then click OK. Overkill command is used to remove the duplicate lines from your drawing. For example, I will show you here. I have this line, and then I copy. Then I copy 3-4 lines here. Now if I will move here, still line is there. So now I will use overkill command. Select all. Okay. Now if I will move, duplicate lines are removed. So this is the beauty of the overkill command. So this next one, we have to increase the speed of the cursor. For that, we have to command here CURSORBADGE. Type here CURSORBADGE, enter, and you will find the numeric value 2 in your AutoCAD. You have to make it 1. Next one is DRAWORDERCTL. It will also enhance the speed of the cursor. You type here DRAWORDERCTL, enter. You will see the numeric value here 3. You have to make it 0. So your cursor will be run very smooth in the AutoCAD. The next setting is HP quick preview. You will find here it is on. You have to make it off. Enter. Now it is off. And another one is selection preview. Copy. Type selection preview. Enter. You will find here numeric value 3. You have to make it 0. So next one is whip thread. Type here whip thread, and you will find the value 1. You have to make it 3. And next one is width enable. Enter. You will find here numeric value 3, and you have to make it 1. All these commands I will give you in the description box. You guys go and set as per shown in the description.